Your USB drive may have been plenty of free space, but whenever you try to copy a file larger than 4 GB, Windows shows an error saying the file is too large for the destination file system. To fix this, many people simply right-click the drive and format it to NTFS or exFAT. While that solves the problem, it also erases all the data stored on the drive. The good news is that you can fix this issue without formatting the drive or losing any of your files. Let's see how to safely convert the file system from FAT32 to NTFS. If you right click on your drive and select properties, you will notice that it's using the FAT32 file system. On my case, it's showing NTFS. One of the biggest limitation of FAT32 is that it can store a single file larger than 4 GB, even if your drive has 128 GB of free space. It will still refuse to copy a 5 GB file. The solution is to convert the drive from FAT32 to NTFS, which removes this file size limitation. To convert the drive, open the Windows search bar and type CMD. Right click the command prompt and select Run as administrator. In the command prompt window, type the following command on the screen showing. Place D with the actual drive letter of your USB drive and then press enter. Windows will check the drive and within a few seconds to about a minute, convert the file system from FAT32 to NTFS without deleting your existing data. Once the conversion is complete, open File Explorer, right click of your drive and select Properties again. You will see that the file system has changed to NTFS. Try copying your large files once more. This time it will transfer successfully without any errors and all of your existing data will remain intact. If you find this video helpful, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.